$800, even if already insured, would receive a $1,200 subsidy. Bradley's plan would clearly cover more people, says Leshevsky, but it's costly. At least $650 billion over 10 years, more than half the predicted surplus, compared to $264 billion for Gore's. He says both plans are risky if the economy changes.
You're making a guarantee that these benefits will be paid, no matter how expensive they are.
So why are both of the Democratic candidates tackling this issue? Because the number of uninsured is growing at an alarming rate, from 33 million in 1992 to 44 million today. It's a healthcare crisis that's sending hospitals like this one into bankruptcy. Dr. Alfred Goldston says his hospital, overburdened by the uninsured, may have to close its doors this week.
If we had paying patients or just a little bit more paid for the services that we have, our hospitals.
Avalon, the most spacious, most luxurious